Greetings, brothers and sisters. Join me in this video as I reveal my personal style of making delicious hot dog and egg sandwich, your next favorite breakfast. Simple, quick and scrumptious. But before we dive into our cooking tutorial, I have a small request. Please watch my video from start to end. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all my latest videos. Your support means a lot to me. Let's start. Add granules and chopped onion. On the beaten egg for that extra flavor kick. Watch as we transform medium onion into perfectly chopped, smaller pieces. Mix. Slice the hot dog to create a butterfly shape. Watch as we take sliced hot dog, dip in cooking oil, and wrap them. With the mixture of beaten eggs, the results, flavorful and delicious hot dog. Let the hot dog cook. Flip it over. Once cooked, place the mold around the hot dog. Pour the mixed ingredients in the middle of the mold. Trim away any excess eggs around the mold. Remove the egg patty from the mold. Flip it over. When it's done, remove from the pan and set aside. Do the same with the next hot dog and so on. In order not to waste excess egg, return it back with the mixture. Do the same with the other tasty bread.